Hey everyone, I hope you're having a really great Friday. I just got done doing a podcast called The Private Labeler Show. You can find it on iTunes, SoundCloud, Stitcher, anywhere a podcast is streamed. If you are an Amazon seller or you plan to sell on Amazon in the upcoming future, then I definitely recommend that you check it out. It gives lots of great advice about how to sell on Amazon, how to get started, what to do once you're in the trenches, what analytics tools you can take advantage of, what advertising tools you could take advantage of. I was talking about the benefits of having a registered trademark, whether that means you're planning on selling on Amazon or what the benefits are outside of the Amazon platform. And so just to give you an example, did you know that Customs and Border Protection is going to be on your side if you have a registered trademark? Into this weekend, I definitely want you guys to think about an idea that you've always had. If starting an Amazon business has always been on your mind, then now is the perfect time to take the opportunity to figure out where the resources are that are going to help you get to that next point. And you know, what you do right now is going to affect where you might be in a couple of weeks and a couple of months. So if you're practicing safety and staying at home and flattening the curve, then why wouldn't you also practice how to get to your next stepping stone and how you're going to get from point A to B to C using the right resources. So YouTube is there. It is completely free. So if you're somebody that knows that you want to get started on Amazon and you want to book a one-on-one strategy call or you want to do group coaching, then definitely let me know in the comments below. I'm going to include a couple of links where you can reach out to me if you don't want to include a message down there. Or if you're somebody that simply has no idea where to start, what kind of business you want to get into, but you know that you kind of want to make a transition into a different industry, then you can also book a one-on-one strategy call for that. That is something that I really love to do. I love to help people tap into what their strengths are. I know that starting a YouTube channel is something that a lot of people have also talked about. They want to get their content out there. So if that's something that you want to do, we also do offer the ability to get your YouTube channel started. I just want to be able to help you. I'm putting these resources out there so that you know that you have somebody to come to or ask questions to, because they might have already done it. They might be a couple of steps ahead of you. Make sure that you use your time wisely, and know in the comments below whether you tuned in to the Private Labeler Show, whether it was on iTunes, Stitcher, SoundCloud, or you can tune into my podcast, which is the AM Show. I do interviews with lots of different entrepreneurs that'll help you get an idea of maybe what kind of business you want to start if Amazon just isn't the right one for you. So I hope you have a great weekend. Stay safe, turn off the news, and turn on something educational and inspirational and motivational.